to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you like and please subscribe. And if you're not new here, thank you for coming back. It means the world to me. Today we are going to be filming a completed apartment tour. So a couple months ago, I did post an empty apartment tour. If you want to check that one out to see kind of the before of my apartment. And now I'm gonna do a little completed tour. We've lived here for about 3 months now. Honestly, we got everything unpacked so fast. The night that we moved in, Daniel's dad forced us to like unpack all the kitchen stuff and everything, and we were like miserable, wanted to go to bed, but fast forward, thank you to Daniel's dad, because we got everything done really quickly. I've just kind of been waiting on this video just to buy a couple extra decorations here and there. So actually, we really finished everything this morning, but for the most part, our house has been like super completed for the last couple months, and we've been absolutely loving it. So I just wanted to share it with all of you. Let's go. So you already know where the laundry is when you walk in. So now when you walk in, this is our little entryway, foyer, whatever you want to call it. So we just have like this little shelf here where we keep our gym bags, just like keys, sunglasses, whatever. And then we have shoe racks, one for Daniel and one for me. We have a basket with masks and our pampas. These pampas get so many compliments every time people come over. They always love them, and we literally picked them off the side of the road. So if you're looking for some good pampas, Lemon Grove in San Diego. Here is the kitchen. Here we have our fruit bowls, some plants, and then we have sink, and then just like our Keurig with our little Khloe Kardashian-esque coffee thing. And this is for like us to make smoothies, pre-workout, greens, whatever. Greens. And then we have our fridge. We put like little Polaroid pictures of Daniel and I on here, so super cute vibe. We love that. Our little island. So unfortunately, we can't fit like an actual dining table in the apartment. The only thing that sucks is if someone is over and then we all three want to eat, it's like stand or like go sit on the couch. These chairs are actually from my work. They let us borrow them, so thanks. And then I actually won these in a giveaway. Over here we have a shelf that we literally just put up today. This was like one of the things that had just been sitting on the floor right here for months, and we just hadn't put it up, but we finally put it up today, and then did cute little decor on it and a plant and some pictures. Over here, this is my favorite part of the house. I just love how it looks, especially when it gets all golden hour and then the light shines on the plants. But these are all of our plants. And then we have our tequila. Our bar cart is like actually literally just tequila and champagne, which is very much us. Over here, we have our cute little gallery wall. I'm like actually obsessed with it. We definitely have like a little ways to go with it. I think we could add like a ton more. I think it's super cute so far. Daniel and I decided we would put celebrities that we really liked on here. So I chose Taylor Swift, because if you know me, I'm like a huge Swiftie. And then Daniel chose Kim K, you know, so she could remind us to work harder every day.
Get your fucking ass up and work.
Okay, now let's go to my room. So when you walk into my room, you go to the closet, which has absolutely terrible lighting, but come on in. It's so nice and big. I'm pretty crazy about my closet, like in terms of I like everything color coded, and then like jackets and shirts. I want it all to look super nice. And then my favorite part of my closet is my pants, my jeans, the way I hang these. Shout out to my manager, Ashley, for telling me to do this. So I got these hooks just off of Amazon, but our inspiration was Ashley used to work at Abercrombie. So she was like, oh, let's hang our jeans like that. So yeah, this is how I hang my jeans now, and they look really cute like this. So I highly recommend getting these hooks. I'll link them down below. And then I have all my shoes up here / down there on shoe racks, pants, dresses, whatever. I also really love this, a little basket, but it kind of looks like a little like costume box almost, like when you're a kid and you have a costume box. And that's where I keep like costumey kind of stuff, like Santa hats and like bandanas, stuff that you like buy for parties or whatever, and then you're like, where do I keep them? I keep them in my little costume box, and I just think that's really cute. And then you walk in through this little like hallway area, and I have this little shelf. She's not the most stable girl ever, but she suffices. My scarves right here and perfumes on the shelf, and then I have purses hanging when you like walk in. Really love my room, honestly. A lot of my furniture and such is secondhand. I kind of made it a point to go thrifting and check like Marketplace. Everything in here is secondhand except for my giant mirror and like the decor and stuff I've bought. But my desk, my ratchet nightstand, well actually the nightstand I've just had since I was like a kid. That little stand, my vanity, all of it I got from people I knew or at a thrift store. This is my bed where all the action happens. No action. Okay, this is like my favorite thing that I have in my room. My grandpa made me this. He's so like one of those people who just has to always be like building something or doing something. So he got on this wood clothespin kick where he was just like making a bunch of stuff out of clothespins. And it's like so pretty and it looks so cool at night. I like am obsessed with it. And then we have my desk area, you know, where all the YouTube magic happens. This is my vanity. I'm actually so obsessed with my vanity as well. I literally got this off of, I think, someone on Facebook, and I just thought it fit the vibe of my room. Just so cute to me, like so boho. I really like a boho style. I know some people think that's like totally out and not a thing anymore, but I love it, so whatever. Clothespin grandpa project. And then these little crates are actually from Australia. My dad used to bring home like cases of beer in them, and I was like, those are cute, so I kept them for my room, and I have some in my closet too. And then this is like one of my newfound faves of my room too, because I also did this today. I've been meaning to do it for the longest time, so for this video I was like, okay, I'm going to do it. But I just bought this plant. I haven't named her yet, so comment down below if you have any name suggestions. And then the little disco ball, I think it's gonna look really cool at certain times of the day, so I'll try to get like a cool video of it looking cute. This mirror is from Home Goods, and this is my little like bookshelf. My parents actually gave me this, so it used to be theirs. This is a little scale that I found at a thrift store. I'm a Libra, so that's why I have a little scale. And then I have crystals on it. Thought they'd bring like good vibes to the room. Little fake plant, some books, jewelry. My grandparents, I don't know. Come on over. So this is my bathroom. Honestly, it's like the one thing that isn't really completed yet. I could not find a shower curtain, like for the life of me. So if anybody has any suggestions on where to get really cute shower curtains, please let me know. It's nothing really too crazy, honestly. But it's so nice to like have my own bathroom and have it connected. My most prized possession ever is my Hairstyles Jesus candle. Thank you, Allie. And finally, we have the patio. We just have our little patio furniture out here. I'm actually obsessed with our patio furniture, but I wish our patio was a little bit bigger because it feels a little cramped in here, out here. But I love it regardless. I think the patio furniture is so cute. So that is it. That is my completed apartment tour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Friends, come over anytime. Don't forget to please like this video. Give it a huge thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. Comment down below and subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much again to everybody who watched it and made it this far. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Cute. Oh my gosh, so fun! Whee!